Hi guys, and welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. I was going to try to do this quick update live, but unfortunately, not until we get 1,000 subscribers can we go live, unfortunately, YouTube channel. So maybe we'll do a sneak peek on Instagram or something of this first. But wanted to show you guys just a quick update on a recent video we had done for the Aquaponics, that Back to the Roots system, and just how that's going. So let's get started. Okay, so most of you guys will remember, if you were able to watch that video, that we did have this Aquaponics True Blackwater. Apologize for the glare here. Let me actually kill the light and see if that will take care. Well, the light did not help the glare, guys. I apologize. Let's see if we can fix the angle a little bit. So this is what you would call a Blackwater tank, unintentionally on my part here. Blackwater just means it's releasing tannins into the water, so it's truly a dark water tank like this. It is not dirty water. It is not filthy water. As you can see, there are two guppies just swimming around in there. They're about a month and a half old guppies. They're fry that we had. You can see we've got some plants growing in there. We've got some Anubias. We've got some Java fern. And those are low light plants, so they do really well here. We've got a heater in there. But the question overall was, will this properly grow dandelion seeds? And I can tell you one thing, this particular tank is sucking the water. You can see this black line right here. This tank is about a week old, and look how much water is dropped in this tank. It is insane, the amount of water that drops daily. Yesterday this water line was there, but that's because that water is definitely being utilized. Look at this fantastic growth we have here. As most of you guys might remember from reading the back of the seed packet, these are all dandelion seeds. It says that these will take 7 to 10 days to germinate, or 7 to 14 days, excuse me, to germinate. And we had germination. This is about 4 days ago these started germinating. So just fantastic rate of growth that this creates here. These things are doing phenomenal, and I will probably do a quick water change on this tomorrow or the next day. Just change out some of this tannin water and put fresh water in, but that'll top off the tank, so on and so forth. Just give the guppies some healthy water, even though this is probably 100% filtered between the sponge that's in there and between the nitrates being sucked out from these as well as these. So really excited about this, guys. Downsides that I see so far, yes, feeding is a pain in the neck through this tiny little hole here. The other downside that I see to it is water changes will be extremely difficult, as you have to take this whole white unit out to do it. But yeah, overall, very happy with the success rate. And the light, this does not get a ton of light, and these seedlings are still doing okay. So we're doing pretty well. There we are, folks. Just a quick update video. I wanted to let you guys know what was going on with this particular tank, how it was doing. For those of you, I know some of you guys were interested and wanted to hear that feedback. So just wanted to give you that quick update. This system really does work. I'm sure there's many ways to do a design similar to this. Hydroponics, aquaponics is all a very real system that a lot of people use. Again, I'm doing this in particular. These are dandelion seeds, and the reason I'm doing it is for greens for my bearded dragon. So it's really cool to incorporate your love of fish and your love of gardening all in one. If you guys like this video, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more content like this in the future. I've been thinking about building a DIY hydroponic system. And just some things like that. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and give me a comment below. Let me know some feedback on whether or not you like these style videos. Really appreciate all your guys' support. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any future content like this. As always, guys, I hope you're staying safe and enjoying your gardens.